We'll guide you through how to fix an Excel file not opening. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and be frustrating, so we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. You want to go and right click on the file like so, and you want to go and click Properties. Now come down to Security and you can go and select Unblock and you can press Apply and press OK. Now try opening it up and see if it will then go and work. Hopefully it will. If it still doesn't, close that, press Search at the bottom, and you want to go and open up just another Excel, press Options in the bottom left, then you want to go down to Trust Center and press Trust Center Settings. Go to the left and you want to go and find Protected View. Unselect these top three options, press OK and OK again. You can then go and close this and try opening up the file and see if it will work. If it still isn't working, press Search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Control Panel and click on it to open it. Click on Programs and click Programs and Features. Click Search in the top right and you can type in 365. Click on it and press Change at the top and you need to go and press Yes. Then you can try doing a quick repair, press Repair. If that doesn't work, try doing online repair and press Repair. And hopefully that'll now be working.